So broke nigga dishes, it's your boy Dakador. Now first off, just made some rice in a rice cooker. Rice cookers are very useful because you can low-key make full-ass meals in a rice cooker. You just pour some beans, some rice, you got a meal. Shit, you can put meat in there that like crap. But today, we're making rice and sardines. Calm down. What? Alright, so here are the sardines. Hey, you get to chop it up yet? Sprinkle adobo, light. You know, we're trying to keep our cholesterol a little bit down because it's the thing that kills niggas the most. So if you can beat the light folk, you good, girl. You good. But also use some salt a lot of the time. You want banana? You can't have banana. You're getting sausages. You can't have banana. I heard it's not good for you in the night. Now, I don't know if that's a myth spread by white people to try and get niggas to not be healthy, but let's be real, I'm a conspiracy theorist. I don't know if I'm saying. I like all my shit, bro. I have a very messed up palate. Thank you for correcting me with your loud noise. I love that you're never going to hear me curse because you always make a loud noise at the same time. I don't know if it looks good to you, but it looks absolutely delicious. We're going to do a taste test so you can see how.
Okay, you finished with the sausage? No. Well, you better come and eat. You're not going to take it away.
Sweet and sour sauce is a nice touch. Keto cooking like a broke nigga is using what you have and playing to your palate. I don't like fancy food, so I'ma die young and probably continue eating canned like meats and rice for the rest of my life if I don't just eat beans and rice for the rest of my life. So, and eggs, but signing out, Dakador, broke nigga dishes.